the ancient lands of Canaan, under the vast azure sky, a young man named Joseph dreamed dreams that would forever alter the course of his life. Beloved by his father Jacob, but envied by his brothers, Joseph's journey from favored son to ruler of Egypt is a tale of betrayal, adversity, and ultimate redemption.
Father, I dreamed again last night. The sun, the moon, and 11 stars were bowing down to me.
My son, what are these dreams you have? Will your mother and I and your brothers actually come to bow down to the ground before you? Joseph's words ignited a fire of jealousy in his brothers' hearts, a fire that would soon lead to an act of unfathomable betrayal. Sold into slavery by those he called family, Joseph found himself in Egypt, far from home, yet not far from the watchful eyes of the divine. In Egypt, Joseph's integrity and wisdom caught the eye of Pharaoh himself, and from the depths of a dungeon, he rose to become the second most powerful man in all of Egypt.
Can we find anyone like this man, one in whom is the Spirit of God?
As famine ravaged the land, Joseph's brothers came to Egypt seeking sustenance, unknowing that the brother they had betrayed now held their fate in his hands.
I am Joseph. Is my father still living?
Tears, forgiveness, and a family reunited. In the grand tapestry of life, Joseph's story reminds us that even in our darkest moments there is light, hope, and a purpose woven by divine hands.
You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good, to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives.
In the land of Goshen, surrounded by his family, Joseph stood a testament to the power of faith, forgiveness, and the mysterious ways in which destiny unfolds. Captivated by Joseph's story? Hit subscribe for more Bible tales, comment your favorite story or what's next.